Photographers use color to help tell a visual story. Color can provoke a variety of emotions. Color can establish a feeling of excitement or a feeling of melancholy. Hue refers to the name of a pure color. Primary hues are blue, yellow, and red. The secondary hues are orange, green, and violet. And intermediate hues are a combination of a primary and secondary and can have fun names such as teal, chartreuse, burnt sienna. A color wheel is one tool artists use to learn more about color theory. Colors opposite one another on the wheel are called complementary colors. Red and green, orange and blue, and yellow and violet. Colors on the wheel can be divided into cool and warm. Warm colors go around from yellow through oranges and reds, while cool colors go through greens, blues, and violets. Using warm or cool colors can change the mood of your artwork. Which one of these images feels calmer to you? Which feels more energized? Another thing to note about color is that warm colors seem to come forward, while cool colors seem to recede in a work of art. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a hue. If white is added to a hue, it's called a tint. If black or another dark color is added, it's called a shade. How many different tints and shades of blue do you see in this photograph? Monochromatic images are made up entirely of tints and shades of one single color. What about brown? Where does brown fall on the color wheel? You might have guessed that brown is actually a shade of orange. Neutral hues such as black, white, and gray are sometimes known as being the absence of color and are often called tones. Brown and beige, though technically tints and shades, are also known as neutrals. The purity or intensity of a color is called a chroma. In photography, though, you might hear the term saturation used instead. A photo with subdued colors has a very low chroma, but after adjusting the saturation in Lightroom, this image now has a high one. So use the element of color to tell a story, to convey a mood, or to invoke emotion in your photography.